Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel Global Technology. Today I am going to show you making a simple and cheap amplifier circuit. If you are a new visitor to my channel, be sure to subscribe this channel, and if you already done, then you are genius. To make this circuit, we might need some electronics components. First, we introduce with them. To make this amplifier circuit, we are using a sound IC. Its value TDA 2003, 5-piece resistor. Its value 100 kilo ohms, 47 kilo ohms, 33 kilo ohms, 10 kilo ohms, 4.7 ohms and 470 ohms. 1 microfarad 50 volt capacitor on piece. It's a polarity terminal. Its white side negative and the black side positive. First we connect this capacitor. First we connect capacitor positive leg with on number leg of sound IC. Now we connect polyester film capacitor. Now we connect 100 kilo ohms resistor with both terminal of polyester film capacitor. Now connect polyester film capacitor with negative leg of electrolyte capacitor. Now we connect another electrolyte capacitor. Its value 4.7 microfarad 50 volt. Its white side negative and the other side positive. Connect capacitor positive leg with 2 number leg of sound IC. Now we connect another polyester film capacitor. Connect polyester film capacitor on terminal with 3 number leg of sound IC. Again we connect a capacitor with the circuit. Its value 1000 microfarad 16 volt. It's a polarity terminal. Its white side negative and the other side positive. Connect capacitor positive leg with 4 number leg of sound IC. Now we connect 47 kilo ohms resistor. Connect resistor with negative leg of capacitor and polyester film capacitor. It is the time to connect 470 kilo ohms resistor. Connect resistor with negative leg of 16 volt capacitor and 50 volt capacitor. Now we connect a 2 watt resistor. Its value 2.2 ohms. Connect resistor with negative leg of 16 volt capacitor and 3 number leg of sound IC. Please review the circuit connection again, so that when you make this circuit, there don't have any mistake. Now we connect a copper wire with 3 number leg of sound IC and polyester film capacitor. Now we connect 10 kilo ohms resistor with the circuit. We connect resistor with 1 microfarad capacitor negative leg. To adjust volume of this amplifier circuit, now we connect a potentiometer. Its value be 100K. We connect this potentiometer with the copper wire and 10 kilo ohms resistor. Please watch the circuit connection again carefully, so that when you make this circuit at home, there don't have any mistake and you can make it easily. Now we connect a audio input cable with the circuit. Connect audio input L or R cable with middle leg of potentiometer and ground cable with copper wire. Now we connect speaker cable with the circuit. Connect speaker cable with negative leg of 16 volt capacitor and connect another speaker cable with 3 number leg of sound IC. Our speaker is connected with the circuit. Now we review the circuit connection again. Now we connect power cable with the circuit. For power source, we are using DC 12 volt. Connect DC positive cable with 5 number leg of sound IC and DC negative cable with 3 number leg of sound IC. Our circuit is almost ready now. Now we connect sound IC with the heatsink. Before connect, we might need to remember that we need to use separator and this type is screw. Now we connect mobile with the audio input cable and play music. Friends, you see here how easily we make this amplifier circuit. So if you want to make a cheap amplifier circuit, then you can use this method. See you in the next videos. Take care.